Spoiled by Coco presents chocolate peanut butter cookies. First, let us set some peanut butter scoop for our cookies. Scoop a tablespoon of it on a plate or baking tray lined with foil or baking paper. Then freeze them till we prepare our cookie dough. In a bowl, take 58 gram unsalted butter, add 40 gram brown sugar, 40 gram castor sugar, half teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix everything together with the help of a spatula until all the sugar gets mixed with butter. Then place a sieve and add 105 gram of all-purpose flour, 10 gram corn flour, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 12 gram cocoa powder and sieve everything. Add a pinch of salt if using unsalted butter. Then gently mix using a spatula. Now add 30 to 40 ml of milk, mix to form a dough. Add milk in parts and gently fold everything together. Now I'll weigh dough for each cookie dough balls and flatten it slightly. Then place our freezed peanut butter scoop into it and gently bring the dough together to form a cookie dough ball. You can scoop out the dough instead of weighing also. Shape all the cookies like this, then refrigerate them for 12 to 24 hours before baking them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes. Our peanut butter chocolate cookies are ready. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a recipe. Bake and enjoy these cookies. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.